Mallory Albright, Marketing Manager here at Sundog with another tech tip, giving you some bits and bytes of knowledge. And today I'll be going over the Quick Parts feature in Word, so you can do your paperwork faster than ever. Let's get started.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is open up our Word app. And I already have a document started, so I'm going to open that up first. Now to start the Quick Parts process, we need to select the text that we'd like, so I'm just going to click and drag down to select this Heading 1 section. Then going over to the Insert tab, and to the right we have the Quick Parts section. If we click on that and go down to the bottom, we have Save Selection to a Quick Part Gallery. We can change the name of our selection, so I'm going to change it to Select Example 1. I'm going to keep it in the Quick Parts Gallery, but we actually have the option to place it in the headers, footers, or bibliography section. You can change the category, or you can create your own. You can add a description. You can save in building blocks. You have other options, but we're going to still keep it in building blocks for this one. Other options are insert content only, insert content into its own paragraph, or insert content into its own page. We're going to stick with the first option, and we're going to hit OK. Now you can create a new page and then add your Quick Part selection, but we're going to show you with a new document. Now if you just go over to your Insert tab and go to Quick Parts, if you pull that down, you have Example 1 right here, and it keeps all the same formatting from our original document. Takes all of the copy and pasting out of the process for you. Now you can also add the Quick Parts feature to your toolbar here at the top. And all you gotta do for that is right click and add to Quick Bar Access toolbar. So wherever you are, you make a new Word document, that selection is always there for you to use. Thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for another tech tip.